Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to be talking, can I still tow my fifth wheel trailer with a lifted ram? In short, yes, you can, but there is some things that you need to know. So when you're looking at a 4-inch lift, most trailers are still going to work for you and you might be able to just get away with it. When you're getting into a 6-inch lift, that's where things can change. You can end up riding nose high with that. So a couple things to note that you might want to do is get an adjustable pin, a fifth wheel hitch that has an adjustable height on it to keep that trailer level for you, or you might have to resolve down to a lifted trailer axle, guys. So you want to keep your trailer level because it's going to help you out with wear and tear, brakes, tires, all that good stuff, guys. Keep it level if you can. Another thing to note, guys, is when you lift a truck, its body roll is going to increase a little bit. So what that means is that when you're towing in crosswinds or you're towing through the mountains or anything like that, you are going to feel that trailer move behind you more, but it is manageable. It's nothing to stress too much over. So the biggest thing, guys, is just if you want to look into getting into a lifted ram, they absolutely can do it. They're a very capable truck, lifted, stock, anything of the sort. But you just want to make sure that you build your truck around your trailer and not the other way around. So if you guys want some help with that, give us a call down here at Redwater Dodge at 780-942-3629. We can take down your trailer information and help spec out the right one for you before even spending a dollar.